All right then, YouTube Shorts, 3.5 billion views per day. Let's help you get a piece of action. Bam, 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 bam. Hey folks, welcome back to vidIQ. My name is Rob. If this is your first time here, we aren't a channel all about Avengers references. We are the YouTube tool, channel and learning academy that educates you on your YouTube journey. And what we want to educate you on today is YouTube Shorts. So let's just jump straight into it. All right then, this guide is going to assume that you have already signed up to and downloaded vidIQ. If you haven't already, then make sure to get either the Chrome or Firefox extension. And as a little bonus offering, I'm going to include a link in the video description of this video, just below the like button. That includes a 30-day full access trial to all of the vidIQ tools, which allows you to use everything that I'm going to show you, along with dozens more tools. So make sure to check them out. The first thing I want to show you is super simple, and it's going to help you track your YouTube Shorts data very quickly. Because right now, YouTube does offer some analytics, but are not easily accessible. So, in the YouTube Studio, if you click See More from the analytics page, you'll get this lovely graph, and then you can click on traffic sources in the top left-hand corner here. And you'll be able to see all of your views from different traffic sources. And if you scroll down here, hopefully, if you've already started making some YouTube Shorts, you will see this analytic here showing you how many views you're getting on your YouTube Shorts, as well as a contribution to your total channel views, watch time, average view duration, and so on. But we here at vidIQ want to make that super easy for you. So if we go back to the YouTube homepage, once you have the vidIQ Chrome extension installed, you'll start to see some tools down the left-hand side. You'll also see our likes and dislikes tool on all of the thumbnails of videos. But most importantly, on pretty much any YouTube screen, you're going to see this, what we call the real-time stats bar. And it's a snapshot of your channel so that you don't have to go to the YouTube analytics all of the time to see how many subscribers you have, how many views you've got in the last 48 hours, and for us, how many views we've got in the last 60 minutes, which is 3,500. Now, what makes this super powerful is if you mouse over the real-time stats bar, it gives you even more analytics, kind of like a breakdown, a graph of these views over the last 60 minutes and so on. But what we've thoughtfully added very recently is this one, the third analytic down, Shorts views. So this is going to separate your channel views and show you only your YouTube Shorts views on your channel. So for us, over the last 48 hours, we've received 180,000 total channel views, and of those views, nearly 3,000 of them have come from exclusively YouTube Shorts. If we click the check mark here, you will now see that it's added the analytic to the top real-time stats bar, so I don't even have to mouse over. You can see it right there. We're getting 2,900 views every 48 hours right now on our main vidIQ channel. And this is a real-time stats bar, which is 100% free. If you download our Chrome extension or Firefox extension, you get this included for no pennies whatsoever. You're welcome. Now then, by comparison, I wanted to show you what a Shorts channel may look like if you're making mostly or all YouTube Shorts. This is the vidIQ YouTube Shorts channel where we only make YouTube Shorts videos. And as you can see on the real-time stats bar, we have, over the last 48 hours in total, 1,600 views. But interestingly, about half of them, 900 views, came from Shorts. So not only are we getting Shorts views as intended, but we're getting views from outside of YouTube Shorts as well, which is interesting. Also, something else that's really useful for channels working towards 4,000 hours of watch time. If you haven't yet met that requirement, then we will show you this extra additional metric in amber to show you what your progress is like. So again, even though we're making only YouTube Shorts videos here, we are actually getting some hours towards monetization. And this tool is useful whether or not you're making shorts or long form content. If you want to get towards 4,000 hours of watch time, then this tool is nice and handy to look at wherever you are on YouTube. Once again, you're welcome. Any information you can get about how well your YouTube Shorts are performing is going to be super important, of course. And I'm recommending to you right now to just make YouTube Shorts, because that opportunity may soon disappear and it'll be a lot harder to break through in the YouTube Shorts area. We've done a full video about this very recently. But what you can also do is research. Not only make YouTube Shorts, but be a little smarter about doing that. And of course, no matter what you use in life, you want to be smart and not make any mistakes, right? This is where your research on YouTube Shorts can begin. Go to the search bar and simply type in #shorts. Now the first result will be this little symbol, and if you click on it, it will take you to what YouTube are calling either a landing page or a pivot page. And this is just going to give you a breakdown of all of the videos that are using a hashtag, in this case, #shorts. And so the breakdown here is that there are now 5 million videos on this topic. This time last week, it was around about 3 million. So there are a lot of creators jumping onto this topic right now. And there are 714,000 channels who are making YouTube Shorts. So this information is useful. It's going to show you videos that have millions of views, relevant videos, including our video where we talked about YouTube Shorts. Some of these will be shorts themselves. Some won't be, because as you can see, some of these videos are longer than 10 minutes, but many of them will be under a minute because they are YouTube Shorts, because YouTube is telling all of us as creators to include #shorts. Now then, this is where vidIQ is going to take your Shorts research to the next level. Down the left-hand side, we have lots of tools, and I want you to click on most viewed in this case, because what this is going to do is show you the most viewed videos on YouTube depending on your search criteria. So what I'm going to do here is first of all clear out the country filter. So we're searching for all videos on a topic, but the topic we're going to add here is #shorts, because obviously we want to find out more about videos that are performing well with #shorts, and we can see plenty here that are doing well with millions of views. And these are over the last 7 days, and we can see the velocity. We can even change this down to 48 hours to really see what's kind of trending in the YouTube Shorts space. But here's a really crucial thing for those channels who are relatively small at this point, don't have many subscribers. You can filter by channel size. So what we're going to do here on the channel subscriber filter is sort by any channels with up to 1,000 subscribers making videos that include #shorts. And then things get really interesting, because we have a channel here right at the top with 700 subscribers. And then they've got a video that they made 2 days ago that has 40,000 views, and they're getting 1,000 views per hour right now. So this is where there is my area of interest. What's going to be going on here? And as we can see, there's all sorts of gaming shorts occurring as popular ones for small channels, because to be honest, there's a lot of gaming shorts that are doing really well on YouTube. So you can use all of this information to very quickly research what may be happening in your world. Now you can, if you want, drill down even deeper into the research through the most viewed tool. Currently we have it as #shorts, but let's just change that. Let's go #shorts and put in a video game such as Minecraft. I am more than positive there will be tons of shorts on this topic. Here they are, a channel here with 35,000 views, only 240 subscribers. What about doing one where we have #shorts makeup? I'm sure there'll be videos on that topic as well. Yes, there are. And everybody's favorite here, a little bit of #shorts ASMR. And there's also videos there. Remember, these are all channels making shorts using the #shorts, and their channels under 1,000 subscribers, proving that small channels can really make a huge dent in this YouTube Shorts area right now, but you've got to act fast. So as you can see, what the most viewed tool is going to allow you to do is track those #short videos in your topic of interest that are working well for creators who may be of a similar size to you, perhaps less than 1,000 subscribers. And as part of the research, the really important thing you should be doing is watching these videos to see why they are popular. These videos will be grabbing the viewer's attention in the very small amount of time they have with the view. Oh, just hang on 1 second. That was close. I think you get the general idea here, don't you? Make sure to use vidIQ's tools to help you get more views on your YouTube shorts. This just isn't going to end, is it? Now, as I showed you earlier on, the real-time stats bar is completely free, 100% access. The most viewed tool does require Pro and Boost to take full advantage of it, but as I said earlier, there is a link in the video description that's going to give you 30 days of full access, and not only those tools, but everything we have to offer, including the vidIQ Academy. Oh, you've marked my play button. That's it. Come on!